Welcome aboard, everybody. We're on Goddard Hook today, and today we're going to be going over a few items that are safety related, ones coming aboard on the vessel. Okay. First and foremost, items on the deck. Lots of sharp items out there, whether it be hooks, lures, gaffs, anything like that. You need to be cautious of. We have knives out there from the fillet table on the deck of the boat as well. So those are all things you need to be very cautious of. In addition to that, whenever we bring fish on board, most of these things have pretty sharp teeth. We're doing a lot of offshore deep sea fishing, so lots of aggressive species with very sharp teeth. Let the crew handle that. Once they get them controlled, once they get them situated, we'll get it arranged where you can take pictures. But let the crew handle the fish, get them on, get all that stuff situated. Fire extinguishers. We have fire extinguishers all throughout the vessel. We have some located underneath the sinks. We have fire extinguishers in all the bedrooms, in the closets. We have fire extinguishers up in the helm, right in front of the steering wheel of the boat. Then we also have fire extinguishers down in the engine room. Once you go down into the engine room, on either left and right, there's doors and there's fire extinguishers. There's clear markings where all the fire extinguishers are located. We also have the EPIRB. EPIRB system is distress signal sent to the Coast Guard. That would automatically send a signal letting them know that we're in distress and sending help. Life jackets. Life jackets are located up top and underneath the settee on the left side of the boat. Once you go up top, all the life vests are there for everybody, crew and guest. Going upstairs, the fly bridge of the vessel, great views, 360 view all the way around, clear shot, air conditioned and heated. But when going up there, there is a ladder. Once you're going up the ladder, make sure to use 3 points of contact at all time. Okay, and it is imperative that you go up the ladder facing the ladder and you come down the ladder facing the ladder. A few housekeeping rules when on Goddard Hooked. One is the main entry door into the salon. It is a heavy door, it's on rails, but if it is not securely latched, it'll swing side to side as the vessel moves. Another item that we need to discuss is the heads. We have two heads, one down in the master bedroom, another one in the main hallway. When using the heads, only tissue paper that is provided for can be used. No feminine products, no wipes, nothing else of that sort. In addition to that, it is a foot operated head. So instead of flushing like you would do at home, there's a pedal down on the bottom. Hold that down and you have to hold it, count to 3, you should be good to go after that. And one more thing to keep in mind, when going outside in the vessel, the gunnels, the area on the outside, plenty of room there. Make sure it's perfectly fine to lean on, but do not sit on that. Any rogue wave could come, offset the vessel, and you could potentially lose your footing or fall overboard. So make sure it's lean on, but not sit on. And that's going to wrap it up for today, guys. Thanks for stopping by. Look forward to seeing y'all soon.